Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading to for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, friend ko yan guys. Kung gusto mo sa akin, punta ka sa Facebook page namin, Madam Space P. Ayan yung Facebook page. And if you want to avail yung mga products namin, Unipri, UNIPRI. Let's start what we have here for the sign of Virgo. Isang shuffle na lang. This is your main energy. You do have your Justice card, Libra energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with the Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit. This is you, Virgo. Okay. I feel like yung iba sa inyo ang daming nakasunod sa iyo, no? Sa social media mo, someone is really following you. Ayan. Maybe there's a particular person na lagi kang tinitingnan yung post mo, etc. You might not be aware of that. Pwedeng hindi mo alam or hindi ka sure, but there's someone. And with the Justice card, wala kang pakialam eh. Dito, parang alam mo na ikaw ay fina-follow but you don't care as long na ini-enjoy mo lang at saka hindi ka nagmamadali. For those of you na nasa industry ng entertainment, no, maybe meron kang mga YouTube accounts or TikTok, yan. Hindi ka nagmamadali regarding sa pag-gain ng followers. You're just enjoying yourself. I don't know kung ikaw itong kabibili lang ng kung ano-ano, but I feel like your energy is that. Kasi nga ini-enjoy mo lang, you don't care about kung anong sasabihin ng ibang tao, kung anong, you know. The Hermit is here. This is Virgo energy. I feel like, nasa point ka ngayon ng buhay mo na wala ka nang pakialam sa sasabihin ng iba. Kumbaga parang, ang importante lang is nabubuhay ka, inaayos mo yung sarili mo, inaayos mo yung mga you have your own business, your own life, you're living your own life. At saka ikaw na rin na ito na umiiwas at lumalayo sa mga taong magpapa-stress lang sa'yo. Okay? So, sino yung person na nakakonect mo? Pagdating sa love. Six of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Wands. You're dealing with someone na very workaholic, Masyado niyang iniisip yung kanyang money. And I feel like nagkaroon na ng pag-uusap or pagtutulungan sa inyo nitong pera na to, ng person na to na may kinalaman sa pera. Like maybe business partners, etc. I don't know ba't nakakita ako dito ng pagluluto. So maybe this person really loves to cook. Ace of Wands. This person is thinking of you. Iniisip ka niya. Ngayon, I feel like hindi siya okay. Pero pinapakita niya okay lang siya. Maybe kasi ayaw niya maapektuhan ng kanyang trabaho. So, parang magpapaka-okay lang siya, kuno, sa mga nangyayari sa kanya ngayon. Pero deep inside, there's a lot of pag-iisip mula dito sa tao na to. Ano yung emosyon niyo sa isa't isa? You do have here the Three of Wands, Page of Cups, the High Priestess, okay, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Ace of Wands is here, Ace of Cups, and the Hierophant. Namimiss mo yung person kasi part of you is like parang may kulang sa'yo dahil wala tong taong to. And then you feel a spiritual connection sa kanya. Namimiss mo siya. Itong person na to, iniisip ka niya. There's love, Ace of Cups. Mahal ka na tong person. And this person is, I can see Taurus energy, who loves food. Person who loves food, loves to cook, or maybe someone na ang enjoyment niya nasa food. And maybe yun din yung kanyang career. This person loves you. May tatlo tayong one, tatlong ace yung nagpakita. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, saka Ace of Cups. That's 111, angel number for you. Could be a spiritual connection, twin flame, soulmate. Nasaktan talaga siya eh. Three of Swords. Ay. Alam mo yung feeling na parang, I feel like naka-follow siya sa'yo eh. Nakatingin siya lagi sa mga ginagawa mo. Pero wala siyang ginagawang action regarding doon. And, may mga particular na sinishare ka or pinopost ka na natatawa tong taong to pero palihim lang or hindi niya sinasabi sa'yo. Naiibsan siya dun sa pagka-miss niya sa'yo somehow, sa mga nakikita niya, mga pinopost mo or what. So what will happen in the near future? You do have here the Magician, Page of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and the Hermit. Virgo energy. Bottom of the deck is the Moon. In the near future, wala akong masyadong nakikita. I mean, ang nakikita ko lang dito is that you're trying to balance yourself. Ganun pa rin. Trying to get all the negativity. Na alisan itong mga negativity na to. Which is good. I feel at peace sa'yo in the near future. Yung person na kakonect mo, I feel like this person is trying to save money. Nag-iipon siya. Namimiss ko nitong person na to. There are times na matutulog siya, ikaw yung nasa isip niya, and ikaw yung huling tinignan niya na post. This person really wants you. And unfortunately, wala pang nakikitang future. Kasi mas nakikita natin dito development sa mga kanya-kanya ninyong sarili. Ikaw, regarding sa situation mo, finances mo, and the person na the same. Yan. I feel like nag-iipon lang siya, pero yung ipon is not enough. So, pwede may pagkakalayo sa inyo, lalo na yung may pagkakalayo dyan. Itong taon to, nag-iipon siya, pero hindi pa sapat yung inipon niya para makagawa ng action papunta sa'yo. Ayun lang. So, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all, and bye-bye.